WCM – World-Class Manufacturing. WCM status indicates the company that works successfully and stably, develops and competes in its market. There are two basic principles at the core of WCM system: continuous improvement and loss elimination. If the company has a verified WCM status, it indicates its advantage or equality with its competitors in innovation, quality, price, flexibility, delivery discipline, and service. It is believed that world-class companies possess such qualities. Modern conditions necessitate constant changes even for such a metallurgical giant like our company, ArcelorMittal Kryvyi Rih. Improvement of labor conditions, production, product quality, compliance with customer requirements, cost reduction, equipment reliability improvement, and continuous improvement. World-class manufacturing system, which is used by the companies of ArcelorMittal Group, helps to solve these and other complex tasks.
This is a tool which ArcelorMittal uses across the globe, all in their plants. This is a tool which is used for helping people in solving the complex task and achieving desired results. It's a tool which is used for continuous improvement by focusing on various tasks. The main task of the WCM cannot be achieved by the involvement of all of you into this process.
The company has been implementing WCM system since 2012. Awarding system is similar to Olympic one: Bronze Award, Silver Award, Golden Award, and World Class. In 2018, over 20 subdivisions of ArcelorMittal Kryvyi Rih are already involved in WCM implementation. There are ultimate leaders among subdivisions which use WCM tools, such as LFCC, the first subdivision in ArcelorMittal Kryvyi Rih that achieved silver level.
Именно благодаря внедрению данного проекта ОНРС или отделение
Implementation of this project contributed to the fact that LFCC managed to ramp up to design capacity, and it significantly improved the quality of the products. Well-coordinated production process, maintenance and auxiliary divisions enabled LFCC complex to be the first to reach the silver level at the company, and it was one of the reasons due to which we got additional investments for the construction of LFCC number 2 and number 3. LFCC team, together with other services of the company like Health and Safety Department, Technical Department, Industrial Controlling, Quality Department, HR Department and International and Corporate Projects Implementation Service, step by step achieved success by working hard and proved that they can have a continuous improvement and increase their level.
На начальном этапе внедрения системы все воспринималось персоналом скептически, но...
At the initial stage of system implementation, staff perceived everything skeptically, but with the gradual implementation of the pillars, they understood the need to implement this system. The first achievement for our team was the restoration of robotic machine number 2. Backup was provided, every part has labeling at this stage. It helps a lot to find very quickly any spare part for its urgent replacement. WCM implementation contributed to more stable operation of equipment. If we have a stable operation, then our division has a stable performance. Our beneficiation plant number 2 achieved bronze level after 4 years of implementation, and it has become the first beneficiation plant in ArcelorMittal Group with WCM award. In those days, OBP number 2 was one of the most challenging shops. There was no unified team, the equipment was operated unsatisfactorily with poor performance. But the WCM showed that the work that was done over the years led to the fact that it became one of the best shops at mining department. Today it would seem incredible to increase the quality by 2%, but this team managed to do it, and now they are producing a concentrate with iron content of 68%.
Персонал активно включился во внедрение производства мирового класса.
Staff actively got involved in implementation of world-class manufacturing system. Our sites where spare parts management is implemented are usually one of the best. The attitude of people has changed. If initially the majority asserted that it was a waste of time, then the first steps dispelled their doubts. Obviously, spare parts management program is a powerful tool to reduce the duration and the number of downtimes, ultimately bringing it to zero.
Внедрение WCM на моем участке дало нам
The implementation of WCM in my area enabled us to react promptly and to eliminate all the malfunctions and emergencies that occur in our shop. All the work of service staff was simplified. My opinion is that this system helps us to be much more independent and develop ourselves in terms of work performance. There was a catastrophic situation at this production site. Piles of garbage, scrap metal. Railway track was completely destroyed. We fully cleaned the site out of scrap metal and garbage. We changed the design of the railway and completely replaced it. We received 0 accident operations because of this project implementation.
В декабре месяце прошлого года цех участвовал в аудите.
In last December, our shop had an audit and we presented our projects, which were awarded with silver. With the help of WCM tools, which we implement, we managed to reduce losses at main production equipment, which means in money 64 million hryvnias.
Это составляет более 64 миллионов гривен. Впереди у нас большие еще
We have to make big steps to achieve silver level in 2019.
достижению серебряного уровня, которые будут в 2019 году.
Now this subdivision is proud of the changes implemented in their production within recent years. It is a real significant improvement and each employee of the shop can feel it. Now the team of Urbanification Plant number 2 willingly and proudly shares its experience with other shops of the company.
Сейчас мы на РОВ-2 видим объемы производства концентрата.
Now we see the volumes of concentrate production that have not ever been produced since the construction and commissioning of this plant. WCM also contributed to the progress achieved. It is also the team focused on the result, the team which fulfills all the requirements set by the management, and this is what WCM explains. Section rolling shop number 2 of ArcelorMittal Kryvyi Rih achieved bronze level for less than 20 months, and it has become one of the most successful shops in WCM implementation in ArcelorMittal. Section rolling shop number 2 is a flagship among the shops of rolling department in the application of new knowledge and methods of work. Shop managers and workers adopted a new approach to work with understanding that it is impossible to survive in the current changed market conditions by working following the old method. The number of equipment setups, requirements to product quality have increased many times comparing to the previous period. The WCM system gives you tools enabling decrease in all types of production losses, which are directly related to cost reduction, and it enables you to improve safety level. $5.5 million were saved in 2015-2017 due to the reduction of losses.
Одной из колонн WCM является профессиональное обслуживание.
Professional maintenance is one of WCM pillars. There is a bar counter on packing line behind me. It was selected as emergency equipment based on 2016 results. 5 sessions of autonomous maintenance were held. We also developed Zero Breakdown project for bar counter of packing line. It was implemented in October 2016. After its implementation, we achieved 0 breakdowns at bar counter.
WCM на нашем участке МС-255
Implementation of WCM at our area of LSM 255 resulted in 0 breakdowns on critical equipment. We selected critical equipment, double drum shears number 58, finishing area, packing line and bar counter. It enabled us to eliminate failures of the equipment. 5S system was also implemented for spare parts and tools. We removed all not required items and kept only frequently used items.
чем мы постоянно пользуемся.
What is the secret of their success? The secret is high professionalism, teamwork, the courage to see the existing problems, ability to talk openly about them and look for the reasons and solutions. It is the usage of innovative methods, management support and high motivation of teams.
На текущий момент мы
At the
внедряем
moment, we are implementing WCM in 20 shops, and for the next couple of years we want to cover the entire company with WCM implementation, including all subdivisions and all departments. We have eliminated losses for over $100 million due to WCM implementation since 2012. We have ambitious goals, but the most important thing is that our shops achieve these ambitious goals. Considering our experience, we are going to continue the improvement of our company with WCM implementation in all its subdivisions and departments. The result of our work was the achievement of 6 WCM awards in the following areas: Section Rolling Shop number 1, bronze level in 2014; Blooming Shop, bronze level in 2015; Section Rolling Shop number 2, bronze level in 2016; LFCC of BOF Shop, bronze level in 2014 and silver level in 2016. Beneficiation plant number 2, bronze level in 2017. And blast furnace shop number 1, blast furnace number 8, bronze level in 2017. The following subdivisions have an important task for 2018. Section Rolling Shop number 1 and Section Rolling Shop number 2 are to achieve silver level. Beneficiation plant number 1, blast furnace shop number 1, blast furnace number 6, rolling shop number 3 and oxygen plant are to achieve bronze level. I would like to wish those new shops that are still having some doubts, or those shops which still do not strongly believe in WCM, to enter confidently on WCM path and to implement those measures to become the next winners in these competitions.